House BL, nestled amidst the lush greenery of Destelbergen, Belgium, began as a renovation of a chalet-style house built in 1965. Rather than erasing traces of the past, the design retains the building's core character while adding new volumes that feel naturally integrated. The gabled silhouette forms a common thread connecting the old and new. The proportions, roof lines, and rhythm of the facade are designed to complement each other, blurring the boundaries between the renovation and the original building. From the exterior, the house appears simple, but each added volume has been carefully considered, ensuring a balanced and harmonious composition. Materials were chosen to emphasize the honesty of the construction while creating a warm atmosphere. Exposed concrete is combined with soft-textured earthen plaster, while terrazzo flooring creates a sense of solidity and elegance. Various interior elements are designed as a single unit, from the window frames and staircase to the kitchen counter, creating a visual continuity that makes each space feel connected. Natural light plays a crucial role in shaping the home's ambiance. Large openings overlook the garden and surrounding green landscape, allowing the changing light throughout the day to become part of the spatial experience. The connection between the interior and exterior feels intimate, creating a calming atmosphere while strengthening the residents' connection to their surroundings. At the center of the house, the fireplace serves as a focal point that unites the various areas. This element not only serves as a source of warmth, but also as the center of the spatial composition, bringing a sense of intimacy to everyday life. The layout flows naturally, allowing every corner to have a clear visual connection without sacrificing privacy. The BL House demonstrates that renovation is not simply about renovating a building, but rather about creating a dialogue between the past and the present. With its simple forms, authentic materials, and attention to detail at every intersection, this house presents architecture that feels calm, warm, and durable. It is an example of how sensitive transformation can create a home with strong character without losing its pre-existing history.